so you guys can't hear it or see it, but there's some kids up there and they're listening to one of my YouTube tutorials. Sick. Nice.
That was a weird nobody wants to see that. Yes.
Look at this guy with his dyed black hair.
I wish it was dyed. Because I'm gonna be pretty tired.
You're gonna jump.
I'm gonna try.
No, you're gonna jump.
You think you're gonna go and Dylan's not gonna make you?
You ain't got a spot in my car if you want to jump in.
Guess I'm jumping.
Yeah, you were definitely jumping.
Jacob will kill me if I don't.
Got it.
Oh. It's on film. It counts. Working or being good?
Living.
Living, understandable. Yeah, same. Yeah, you want to hit that B for me? I mean, you pretty much just did it.
Yikes.
2, 1. Yes! That was so. 2, 1.
Oh, that was awful.
You gonna try the full down?
Yeah, I've only ever done backflip full downs on trampoline, so we'll see. Yeah, having this wire attached to me this entire time feels weird. I can do that. God.
You really go all the way down?
I'm so afraid to rip that twist. Oh. Yeah.
It looks so slow.
It feels so slow. I feel like I have all the time in the world. I think the fall.
I think the fall actually.
Yeah. Like I hit and my legs are just, you're going down.
You gotta do that and then do a nice calm sit down and then start that's how you start your new video.
All right, Gage. I'm gonna send the whole full down. I was gonna say the full down and that sounds weird. The full down? Waffle full down? That'd be nasty. Oh, God, that's so hard.
I'm so disappointed in you.
Why, what happened?
Failed the Jimmy Neutron reference.
Got a blast?
3, 2, 1.
Got a blast!
Yeah.
I said got a flash.
Wow. Got a flash. That's a real man right there. All right, Eli. All right, Eli.
Yeah, alright, Dylan.
All right, Eli.
Yeah, alright, Dylan. This is gross.
There we go. Easy. Hey, thanks, guys. Yeah. Yeah. All right, now go do it over there.
No,
Right over there. No, you got it. That's what I was afraid of. Not so bad.
you just gotta figure out how to.
Yeah. All eyes are on Gage as he preps his next line. God. No. Yeah.
That's all it was.
I'm in this position. Oh, I can do this. I'm in this position. I can do this. I want a half down and then full down.
Twist for half down.
Half down. That was weird.
Cork. This way. Done that before.
I'm stuck.
I just tried to undo it. I was like, no, spin.
Your undo is still what I'm like trying to do.
I was like, I'm not ready to send it. You've done that before.
Actually, let me do this line first. I'm gonna do the backflip to 540 roll pump flip. Again.
Cool. Okay. I'm not in the right spot.
Yeah, Does that work? A redo or is it good enough?
No, it's good.
I just slide over real fast.
Nope. Dang, I thought that was it. That's it.
I'm 5'8.5".
God, how do you guys just throw that? You huck it.
Yeah, you just do it.
All right, now do that same thing, but step off the flat or the horizontal log first.
You gotta right, left, yeah. Yep.
Yeah, welcome to my world.
There's no hate here, guys.
Nice. Yeah, that wasn't bad at all.
Backflip on the rock. Okay, Gage.
That's sick. Yeah, I'm filming. Oh my God. Wow, Eli, your turn.
This? What? If you do it, I'll give it a shot. What?
Oh, you can do that. You can totally do
I
that.
feel like my palms are gonna slip.
Oh, Gage, can you do one more for me? Oh my God! Oh no! Oh God!
You went here, it just worked.
Oh no!
I'm glad you got it on camera because I did not see it.
He was this close to me. Yeah,
It's close.
yeah.
I was looking at that, but for
What a man.
I haven't done it that way for a long time before.
yeah, I only did it that one time at gymnastic.
Oh, when you first learned pump flips?
Yep.
I remember that.
Oh, but it is kind of
It's
little bit
super doable. It's
little bit
super
doable.
doable. Super doable. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of nice. You should kind of do it.
Flyweight donut boy.
Yo, that was sick though. Hi, buddy. This is all collective movements over here, my man. We have spotted a wild Mayan. He's playing frisbee. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. What is this? What is this?
Golf?
Disc
Never
golf?
played disc golf? This is disc golf.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Hi, boo boo.
Hi.
I can flip.
Do it. You could be
I've
in,
been
you
doing
could,
flips all day.
you could be in my next vlog.
Okay, sick.
Yeah, tight.
What should I do?
I don't know, whatever you want. All right, Mayan, impress us. You got to fly away pre onto the stump. Gage, Scott, and I already did it.
You did? No.
Yeah. Yes. There it is. No, it was not casual. Not at all. Look at this pike, monster.
It's too loaded pike. I was like, God.
Look what happens when you can actually backflip.
Take this one out. Ready?
I'm a muggle. I'm allowed to do that.
I mean, if you can do a backflip. Yeah.
Like, we're like
Facts.
7 foot dudes that do flips. It's too much body to move.
You can spell it like Mayan. It was M-I-O-N.
I can't.
Like I was,
My
and then that's like what I looked at. Oh my gosh! Mayan said he can guide that before you.
Pretty hard, actually.
pretty hard.
Nice.
All right, now
Will you scoot into your gates?
yeah, because I know how to do that.
Yeah. What? 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 I don't understand. Wow.
Arm down, I can still beat him.
Oh.
I hit my butt.
comboed it too. That's so ridiculous. Oh, he did it. I really wanted him to fall. Yeah, dude. When was the last time we ate?
All I had was that protein shake.
Same. What'd you say?
Food puts me to sleep.
Food puts you to sleep?
Then I eat them out.
Do you know why?
Because animes are bull crap. No, just kidding. There's no Goku eating bowls and bowls and bowls for a fight.
Table sesh, bro. Let's go. If you don't dab, it doesn't count.
No, I just walked back.
Gage triple?
It counts. It counts. He dubbed. Gage, can you card twist?
Not flat.
I have a skill Gage doesn't have.
Show him how to do it and then develop.
I got it, yeah. Yeah, you just like pop and then wrap. Oh, yeah!
Literally almost won't take shakes.
That or dirt. Shut up.
Yes.
Shut up, Scott. I'm tired of listening to you. You're so good. Do it.
Go, go, go! Keep going! Keep going! Keep. Ooh! All right, Gage. I think I got one for you. Oh, you're gonna Webster, triple full? It's just so sideways.
Because the Webster's the opposite footing for me.
Woo!
God, I want that.
Sick.
Oh, I haven't done one of those.
What are back handsprings? Oh my God. He's still going, he's still going.
Good, sir.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, God.
Squeeze your feet together.
Okay.
Hey, Chloe, let's see your back handsprings. Take the hat off, dummy.
Like, don't need it to.
Oh, sweet, it stays on.
You said I went really far away from it.
Yeah. Oh, all the back handsprings?
I'm gonna do the same.
Yes.
Just because that was like my longest.
Yes, tuck. Where's the tuck?
We'll go. 3 back handsprings, backflip, Arabian cart. Double.
Backflip Arabian? Sick.
Backflip.
I'm so close. I'm so
I
close.
saw you, I was like, ah!
Oh God. I didn't realize you were gonna not travel, so I got really close. Backflip check.
Got him.
Got him. We got him, boys. She's doing it.
It's sweet.
I don't like these.
Yeah, you love them. Yes, you do. Ready? 3. Yeah, sure.
All right, Scott.
I can do it from a round off. I can't do it standing.
That's insane.
I need to ask him to do a cartwheel.
It's hard.
That's not even cute how fast that was.
What? It's been a while. I could try one.
Try one.
It wouldn't be that sick.
Do it, do it. A try is better
Ooh.
than none.
A practice cork?
Is that it?
You've been doing that all day.
Yeah.
I know, but I'm terrified of a cork. Go.
Yeah, that's not bad. Ah!